So here's what we also hear as well. And a lot of times we make this mistake because we think that thinking big is sometimes wrong. Well, I want to do, I'm brand new in the business. I want to do 10 million. Great. Well, why not 20? If you've got the action together to do it, then you can do it. If you're at 10 million, well, I want to get to 20 million. Well, why not 50? Think big. Big is outstanding, because if you continue to think small, you're going to have small outcomes. When you think big, you're going to have big outcomes, because you're going to ask yourself different questions. The key is you've got to know what, how, and who that you need to achieve what you want to achieve. And we're going to talk about that as well. Your time and your effort is going to end up being the same thing as you're thinking. So if you're thinking, I want to go from 0 to $20 million this year, then you're going to ask different questions as somebody coming in saying, I'm going to go from 0 to selling $2 million this year or $4 million. It's a different thought process, but what happens is you start thinking big. You start thinking bold. You start thinking that I can do this. And then you start answering different questions as well. So think big. And if you're thinking big, think bigger. How many of you would have been able to go from 100 pounds overweight and a drug problem to 10, 12 years later having $1 billion business? I know an agent who exactly did that. So there's no such thing as too big. The key is the actions and the questions that you're going to ask and take, and the what and the how and the who that is going to help you achieve those things. So think big.